We are Enviroswim Philippines, and we carry pool automation products. So one of our pool automation products are from robotic. This specific model is the Robo Plus, which is our residential unit. From our principal product is the Enviroswim. This is our sanitation system. And then we have the Blue Connect Plus. This is our monitoring system. And then we have the Robotic Pool Cleaners, which is our control. This will take care of the debris and solid particles in the pool. With the Robo Plus, there are a few advantages. First would be electric consumption. This unit only consumes 180 watts compared to the traditional pump and filter that you use for vacuuming. That is a 1 to 2 horsepower motor. And then another advantage would be your time. The robotic pool cleaner goes into the pool and it will start cleaning without your help. So since this is semi-automated, you put the robot in, turn it on, and then you can do your own thing while the pool is being cleaned by the Robo Plus. The Robo Plus has a climb feature which can climb the walls and stairs of the pool. Another would be ease of use. So the robotic pool cleaner is safe for bathers. The last advantage would be it prolongs the interval required to maintain your traditional pump and filter. If you guys are interested, you can contact us for an obligation-free demo within Metro Manila.